Namaskar. In nature, color is not just for beauty, it carries meaning. Different colors of our food items have different meaning. Green colored food items such as spinach, methi are cooling, cleansing, sattvic in nature and help the body detox. Red colored food, on the other hand, brings warmth, vitality, and strength. In Ayurveda, red is linked to the Rakta Dhatu, blood, and Agni Tattva, the element of fire. It represents transformation, drive, and circulation. So, when you eat foods like beetroot, tomatoes, red grapes, pomegranate, strawberries, you are giving your body energy, immunity, and protection. Science too has nowadays begun to recognize the many health benefits of red colored food items. For example, research has now found that beetroot contains compound called as betalain, which is powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. These betalains help purify the blood, support liver function, and enhance stamina. Tomatoes and watermelons are rich in lycopene, which helps protect the heart, skin, and even reduces the risk of certain cancer. Red grapes and berry contains anthocyanin, which are known to support gut health and improve memory. So today, let me guide you about 10 important ways these foods can support your health physically, mentally, and energetically. The first benefit of red colored food item is that they are very good for your heart. They help reduce bad cholesterol and keep the blood vessels flexible and clean. This means your heart doesn't have to overwork and blood flows freely. Second benefit is that red food helps reducing inflammation in the body. Strawberries, red grapes, and cranberries have a cooling and soothing effect on tissues. They are especially helpful for joint pains, digestive discomfort, or skin irritation. The third benefit is for the skin. Pomegranate and beetroot help improve skin texture, reduce early signs of aging, and protect your skin from sun damage and environmental stress. This is because pomegranate contains compounds like ellagic acid and vitamin C, which help in the production of collagen. So have a glass of beetroot and pomegranate juice daily for 2 weeks if your skin looks dull and tired. The next benefit is that red colored food help your eyes too. Red capsicum and watermelon are rich in vitamin C and natural pigments like beta carotene, which protects eyes from dryness and light-related damage. They support the tissues around the eyes and reduce strain. This is especially helpful for those who spend long hours on screen nowadays. Fifth benefit is that these foods help in balancing blood pressure. Beetroot and pomegranates are especially known to support this. They help relax the blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce unnecessary strain on heart. The next benefit is that red food like beetroot, red radish, and red carrots support digestion. They also help clean the liver and support regular bowel movements. This keeps your system light and active. Red colored food also strengthens your immunity and help you fight infection and seasonal illnesses. Strawberries, red capsicum, and cherries are high in natural vitamin C, which builds resistance in the body. They also speed up recovery if you are weak and run down. Another benefit of these food is that they support hormonal balance. Beetroot and red grapes help the liver to gently detox the excess hormones, which keeps the body in better rhythm. For women, red-colored food items like pomegranate support reproductive health, regulate their menstrual cycle, and calms mood fluctuations. The ninth benefit is for the mind. Red grapes, red cabbage, and berries contain natural compounds that improve blood flow to the brain to protect brain cells and sharpen memory. And the last benefit of red colored food is their ability to protect the body from long-term lifestyle diseases. Fruits like tomatoes, red grapes, and cranberries are rich in natural antioxidants that prevent cell damage caused by everyday stress, pollution, and poor habits. But remember, red color food offers many wonderful benefits, but like everything else, they must be used in balance. Don't blindly stop eating everything else or focus excessively on eating red colored food. For example, lycopene, the pigment found in tomatoes and watermelon, best absorbed when eaten with healthy fat like a spoon of cold pressed olive oil, or a food like avocado, coconut, or few soaked nuts. Ayurveda also reminds us the more natural colors on your plate, the more complete your nourishment. So enjoy red food consciously as a part of a diverse, seasonal, and wholesome way of eating. Eat with awareness and let food become your best medicine. Namaskar.